I have a video for you today that might just blow your mind. And I'm not even joking. This literally blew my mind this afternoon when I was at work and I discovered this. And it is remove recommended content from home. Seriously, the best thing ever. So I'm going to show you how to do this so that you don't get any of those stupid videos that you don't want on your recommended page, and all you get is tailored to exactly what you want. So let's show you how to do this. Okay, so let's say that you jump onto YouTube and you've got your recommended page here. I've kind of done this already, so there's not too much I don't want, but there is the odd video I don't want on my recommended page, and I don't want these popping up from now on. So all you have to do is really quite simple. Is just hit the three little dots here, click not interested, boom. That is no longer on your recommended page. Now what that does is that's actually going to remove it from the history of your viewing page, and that way in the future those videos are not recommended anymore. And now you can actually go and say tell us why. Now you might want to say I've already watched the video, I don't like this video, or I'm not interested in the channel. If you don't like that channel, you can put that and you will never get that channel again. I don't like this video, so I'll do that. So after I've done that, if I want to see all of the other videos in my history to see what's in there, I can actually go to the history tab in library, and this will bring up all of the videos that I've clicked on recently. Now I clicked on these so that I would actually get some of those videos in my recommended. Come on, be serious. I don't watch that much Fortnite. But what I can actually do is I can then go through and actually I can remove these from the history, and this is going to remove it so that in the future I don't get those recommendations. What you can also do is you can actually go and you can pause your watch history. Now, if you pause your watch history, what that's going to do is it's going to pause any videos that you watch from now on from being put into the history, therefore not showing up in recommended tab on the YouTube page as well. Probably the best thing if you just want to start fresh is you go clear all watch history, and that will completely clear out your history. Your recommended page will be wiped clean and you can start fresh there. But I think the best option is to just go through your watch history or go back to your home page, scroll down or look at your recommended tab here, and just go through and find any videos that you don't want to have ever pop up in your recommended tab. Click the little three dots and hit not interested, and that way it tailors exactly the kind of videos that you want to see in your recommended page. There's been a lot of people who've been complaining about videos in their recommended page not being something they actually want to see, and this should fix things. As long as you do the steps, then from then on you'll never see that again. Like this video, I don't care about this, not interested. Tell us why, I don't like the video, I'm not interested in the channel, submit, boom, that's done. I'm Birdalert, guys. Hopefully that helped you. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you later. Peace.